Welcome back to the Electrician's Tool Channel. Today, let me share with you all a new pair of my Wiha insulated crimpers. Now, before I get started, I do love Klein tools, but I'm also a big fan of Wiha too because they make good tools as well. And I do love American-made tools, but I just love good tools. I don't care where it's made from, but if it's a good tool and I can use that tool, I'm gonna buy it. Now this tool right here, insulated. I do have a pair of Klein non-insulated crimpers, but so I said I'm gonna get me a pair of Wiha. Gotta get the Wiha insulated crimping tool. I don't use crimping tools that often because I hate crimping wires together, splicing wires together. Every now and then I use connectors on the end of my wires when I'm doing receptacles or what have you. If it's or ferrules or when I'm hooking up a terminal block or contactor or what have you. But I am a big fan of Wiha tools. They really do make some really good tools. Crimping as well, and German tools. They really make some good tools. Okay, with this insulating tool, this is the Wiha 7-inch insulated crimping pliers. I just received this today and from that I ordered them off eBay. And let me see what all it tell you. Say it meets all of the standards for its insulation, rated for 1,000 volts. And I don't know why it's saying 7. I guess overall 7 inches, and it's 6.3 inches probably from here. No, it can't be probably from here. Anyway, Wiha C7 exclusive tool, steel, 64 HRC induction hardened, ergonomic soft grip handles, chrome finish for long-lasting corrosion protection. Okay. What else does it say? It say semicircular profiles for secure connection between sleeve and conductor. Drop forged from special C70 tool steel. Long life is achieved through additional induction hardened to approximately 64 HRC. 2-component soft grip ergonomic handles. Safety slip guard. I guess he's talking about these guards right here. Crimping capacity. 6 gauge to 30 gauge wire, and it's by Wiha. Now I do have a this is the Klein. These are Klein tools I was telling you about, non-insulated crimps that I've been using for years. So I just felt that I needed some these right here. I don't have a pair of insulated ones. I don't know how often I'll use them, but it's good to have this tool just in case I need it. I'm looking at the difference. You cannot, this is a dedicated crimping tool. I don't see where you can cut at like the Klein tools have. You can, this little knife in the front, you can cut, and they have a slot for non-insulated and insulated terminals. Here, I think they have from the way it looks, they have, let me see, 75, I guess it's millimeter, whatever, 1.5, 2.5, number 4, 6, and number 10. I guess they're talking about these kinds of connectors here that you could put in there, and 16, and also probably the ferrules like this. Probably that's what I'm thinking that you can use to put in here when you. Yeah, that's what it. Okay, now I'm looking at these little teeth that's on the inside of the jaws right here, and I believe that's for when you're using ferrule crimps. Yeah, well, they didn't do too well on that one, but still can use it. Let me see. I prefer using on the bigger ones. I also have a dedicated crimping tool for these ferrules. This is one of them round-headed tools that collapse this little metal the way it's supposed to be. But it seems to work fine on the smaller ferrule. Yeah, seems to work fine. Now, as far as these two, these right here, let me see. Yeah, I don't have a wire to put in here at the moment. Let me see. Let me see. Okay. Okay, I found something. See how well it does on this. With this one. Okay. It's doing okay. Let me try to show you the decline on this one. That would be insulated, so they both do a good job. Now, the pros and cons. The cons about this one that I don't like. This is a 7-inch overall, 6.5, 6.3, I guess from here to here. It do feel kind of small. You know, and by being kind of small, you can't really put the, you know, you can handle it, but it's kind of small for me because my hands are real big. I like the longer handles, like on this one, because it's by the handles being much longer, you can put that extra leverage you need to crimp down. But you can still use these. I mean, I like them. I like them. I don't have anything bad other than that. I like them. And like I said, out of the two, this one don't have the cutting. And with this one, you can't crimp ferrules. But other than that, I guess if this was insulated, and I know they do sell them insulated, this still would be a nice tool. And this would be a nice tool. I'm just showing off today because I want to show you guys my my newest tool that I've added to my. Oh shit! I didn't want to put that back in there. Show you guys my newest tool that I'm gonna add to my bag, and that's the Wiha, and the model number for this thing is number 32945. If any of you guys are interested in purchasing one of these things, but it's a really nice tool. And if those of you who own Wiha tools, you know exactly what I'm talking about. This is a nice tool. This is a nice tool. And so it won't be a long video. I just want to thank you guys for stopping by. I just want to show you guys my newest tool that I'm gonna add to my tool bag. And with that being said, I want to thank you guys for leaving your comments. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Hit that like button, man. Get my numbers up. Share this thing if you share this video if you like also. And with that being said, Happy New Year's to you guys. And peace out, man. And you guys be safe out there. All right. Oh, one more thing. There's also, let me see. Oh, there we go, looking for. It's also been approved by all these safety agencies here. VDE, and there's GS and IEC for 1,000 votes rated. Really good pliers. With that being said, peace out.